Today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check, which is kind of like a test page, on a Canon MG3250. Now this can be done from the printer itself without the need to have an attached PC or laptop. Now getting this page to print is ever so simple. And what we're going to do is press this button here, the maintenance button, a single time, and you should notice the 1 that was on the display up here now displays an A. And to confirm we want to print the page, we press either the black or colour start button down here. You'll notice the pattern here will be circling and your printer will print a page in just a minute. And you should now be looking at a page, looks something like this, with a breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta and yellow that your printer uses, showing all the colours in both this kind of deep colour and like a faded one as well. As you can see, there are a few little lines and bits running through these bars. So I'm gonna need to do some cleaning cycles, which we have a separate video for on our channel. For the black, it's a slightly different case. You've got one bar with that more intricate pattern there. And what we're looking for is breaks here, which would manifest itself as like lines across your prints. So again, more cleans needed. If you have any issues, please do check out our separate video on the cleaning cycles. Leave us a like if this video has been helpful. Drop us a comment if there's anything you'd like to add. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.